Hey guys, we're going to talk about solving linear systems by elimination. Okay, so first, some words we need to know. Opposite coefficient. First, coefficient means the number in front of x. And opposite means they have different signs, so one positive, one negative. So an opposite coefficient would be the numbers in front of x, or in front of any variable, are opposite values. Okay, so that's going to be like 3y and negative 3y. Those would be opposite coefficients. Well, 3 and negative 3. Okay, standard form. That's going to be ax plus by equals c. Okay, that's where a, b, and c are numbers. Okay, so that just means a number in front of x, a number in front of y equals a number. Slope-intercept form, well, that's what we've been doing. Y equals mx plus b. Okay, so let's talk about elimination. Elimination has 5 steps. You're basically going to eliminate one of your variables so that you can solve for the other. So our first step is to make sure they're in the same form. Okay, typically we want them in standard form. Okay, x's, y's equals your number. Here they both are. We have 4x plus 3y equals 6 and 4x minus 2y equals 9. So they're already in the same form. Our second step is to get opposite coefficients by multiplying. Okay, so let's look at this. We have 4x and 4x, and we have 3y and negative 2y. Neither of them are already negative, opposite. But if I look at my x's, I have 4x and 4x. Those are really close to opposite coefficients. Right now, they're the exact same coefficient. To make them opposite, we need one positive and one negative. So to make it negative, I'm going to multiply one of these equations by negative 1. When I multiply by negative 1, I'm going to multiply all 3 terms. Multiplying by negative 1, all it does is it changes the sign. So 4x times negative 1 becomes negative 4x. 3y times negative 1 becomes negative 3y. And 6 times negative 1 becomes negative 6. Okay. Step 3, add down. We're going to combine these two equations by just adding straight down. 4x and negative 4x are going to cancel to give me 0. Okay, so that's gone. Negative 2y, remember that minus sign attaches to the 2y, so it becomes negative. Negative 2y and negative 3y give me negative 5y. And 9 minus 6, or 9 and negative 6, give me positive 3. Once I've added down, then I need to solve for my variable. Okay. Notice I have a y here. I have negative 5y. That's multiplication. So I need to divide by negative 5. So then I'd have y equals, this is a fraction, I'm just going to leave it as negative 3/5. Okay, once I've solved for my first variable, I'm going to plug in to solve for my other variable. Okay, so I'm going to take negative 3/5 and I'm going to plug it into either of my original equations. It does not matter which equation, just pick one. So I'm going to put it in, let's do the bottom one. So I have 4x minus 2y equals 9. Basically, I'm going to take this y and plug in negative 3/5. So I have 4x minus 2 times negative 3/5 equals 9. 4x. Negative 2 times negative 3/5 is going to be positive 6/5 equals 9. Subtract my 6/5. So that would be, that's going to give me 39/5. Then I need to divide by 4. Use your calculator for this. So that